In Iceland, the earth is always moving. Glaciers shift, geysers rise, and waterfalls carve their way through landscapes shaped by fire and ice. When you explore Iceland on this small group explorations journey, you don't just witness the ever-changing landscape. You're invited into it through authentic experiences designed and led by travel experts who call this place home. Stand between two continents at Thingvellir National Park, where the North American and Eurasian plates slowly drift apart. Feel the mist from thundering Gullfoss. Ride in a glacier truck across Langjökull and step onto the ancient ice itself. A rare chance to experience Iceland's power up close. Along the northern coast, set out from Húsavík on a whale-watching cruise in search of humpbacks and minke whales. Visit an Icelandic goat farm, where heritage breeds are protected and the traditions of rural life carry on through craft and community. Back in Reykjavik, soak in the mineral-rich waters of Sky Lagoon, a peaceful finale to your journey through fire and ice. From black sand beaches and volcanic plains to quiet fjord-style villages, this is travel that grounds you in the rhythm of the natural world. Collette. By travelers, for travelers.